How to create a poll on Facebook Messenger group chat. First of all, you have to launch the Messenger application in your device and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now you have to select the group where you want to create the poll. So open up the conversation with that group. Once you're here, navigate to your bottom left corner and tap on the plus icon. From this drop down box, you have to click on polls. Now you can create your poll. First of all, you can add question to your poll. And then you can add options. Tap on add option and then add your options to your questions. Once done, tap on create poll. And with that, now a poll has been created in your group chat. So that's the way to create a poll in Facebook Messenger group chat, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.